and namaste, welcome to my channel everyone. It's been a pleased by, hope you guys you are fine and I am also fine. Today we are talking about one of the common problems of Mi phones. Here we see don't cover the earphone area. Mi phones or Poco phones oftenly detected these types of problem. This is not a problem. One of the pocket mode features on Mi or Poco phones, we can solve this problem by cleaning our sensor. Here we see the proximity sensors. We can solve disabling the pocket mode features on Mi phones. Let's get started how we can solve this problem. First of all, clean this part of your phone. If you can't get solution, then we can enter our setting and turn off pocket mode. I will show you, stay on this video. After cleaning the sensor area, I can get the actual solution. Now we can turn off pocket mode option from our phone. Click on volume up button and then press password. After opening this, open setting and you get lock screen option on your phone. Click on lock screen and then scroll down. Here we see we have turn on pocket mode. What is this pocket mode? It will help when your phone on pocket, it can get any apps open. Now we can turn off and see what will happen. Click on pocket mode. After turning off pocket mode, go back home and turn on your phone. Now we see we can get any problem from our phone. Finally, we get the solution of do not cover earpiece area. Thank you for watching this video. This much for today. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Give thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you.